Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change background. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the background in Lucidchart is an easy way to customize your diagram and enhance its appearance. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the file that you wanted to work with. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one, but if you wanted to start from scratch, just click this plus button that says new. You can choose to create a new file as a blank document or create a from template. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this section we're in. These are going to be some of the best templates that you can use, and then you can change the background later. All right. Now, once you are inside the file that you're working, you see all you have to do is go to the any part of the canvas that you are working. For example, this. Click on right click and click the document settings. What will happen is it would forward a small pop-up window wherein you have the option to click the background color. All right. Now you can choose from any of the following colors that you wanted. You can hover down to see the palette. They offer a lot. All right. And you can choose from your preference and liking. Now if you use the background changes here, it kind of like improves the visual clarity because you can use contrasting background colors to make text, shapes, or lines stand out. All right. It also reduces the eye strain because adjusting the background color to softer tone for better readability during extended viewing. And obviously customizing the background color to match your branding or presentation themes. All right, you can add images or gradients to make the diagram more visually engaging. Of course, it ensures that the diagram aligns with other branded materials such as slides or documents. So basically, you have all these. For example, we're going to be choosing the yellow color here. Now, you would notice that a well-chosen background can help reduce visual noise. It can highlight specific sections of the canvas with different background colors. And of course, it can identify different parts of a complex diagram. You can tailor the background color for formal presentations, reports, or client-facing materials. All right, it's up to you. You can match the background to the theme of your presentation or infographic that aligns with the visuals, especially with the content you are portraying. And that's basically how you change background here in Lucidchart. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.